Hi, hello viewers. Today we are going to see in this video what all are the benefits of taking horse gram. The botanical name of horse gram is Macrotyloma uniflorum. It is the fourth most important pulse crop and makes up for 40% of the world pulse production. It is grown especially in dry lands. Nutritional values of horse gram. Here is the nutritional values of content present in 100 grams of horse gram. The first one is easy to digest. Horse gram is rich in fibers, both soluble and insoluble fibers. Consuming this fiber rich food promotes the peristaltic movement of the digestive tract. This helps in flushing out toxins. As a result, the digestive system functions properly. Next one is low in calories. If consuming horse gram can help you lose burn calories. Horse gram is low in calories. It can keep your bad cholesterol level in check and prevent the risk of heart diseases. Also, consuming horse gram will provide you with protein and fiber, which will keep you full for long and prevent you from eating more. Thus, you will eat only healthy food and won't put on weight. The next one is keeps energy levels high. If consuming horse gram will keep your energy level high, the protein and dietary fiber keep you satiated, which in turn prevents you from feeling hungry all the time. You will feel more energetic and stay active. The next one is break down fatty tissue. The studies have proved that the horse gram seeds can directly attack the fatty tissue stored in the body. It compels the body to consume saturated fats to create energy. This process is beneficial in melting the body fat within few months and gives a proper shape to the body. The heat produced by horse gram seed can perform the act of fats burning without any side effects. Research has concluded that horse gram helps bring down the levels of LDL or bad cholesterol in the bloodstream. Bad cholesterol levels which stuck in the veins would be removed when horse gram is consumed, thanks to the levels of lipids in it that work its magic. One should consume one should consume a handful of pre-soaked horse gram seeds twice a day on an empty stomach so that the lipid level works at their best and cleans the veins of the bad cholesterol level or the LDL levels in the blood. In Ayurveda, it is said if one consumes horse gram every day, weight loss happens for sure. This is only when you consume horse gram in powder form, and to this shall be added a dash of cumin seeds. The two should be mixed in a glass of water and drunk twice a day on an empty stomach at your own health. Some prefer not to have horse gram for weight loss in this form, which is fine. In such cases, the legume can be had soaked and raw or mixed with proper and Bengal gram to form a crunchy salad and eaten. Who should avoid consuming horse gram? While horse gram is very beneficial for health, but it should be avoided in following cases. If you suffer from menstrual problems like heavy bleeding, if you have any gastric problems or hyperacidity, if you are a male undergoing fertility treatment, if you are a pregnant woman, if you are a patient of tuberculosis, if you are trying to gain weight. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.